Hi, my name is Eric and I'm a startup manager with Sierra Air Conditioning. Today we'll be making some video tutorials to show you how to program and operate your thermostats at home. This is your KSACN501 thermostat. It is used with your Carrier ducted, ductless mini split systems. This is your main home screen. It is in the off position. To turn on the thermostat, simply press the power button in the center. It will bring the screen up and it will show the mode, the fan setting, the temperature, your time, and the day. When it's in the off position, it will show the day and the time in a 24-hour clock. Let's go over the controller buttons. The swing is used for cassettes and high wall. It is not used for your ducted, ductless mini split. Your timer is used to change the day and time. The day off and delete is to set a specific time you want the system to turn on or off, or to delete a setting. The confirm is to save a setting. The back button is to go back if you have made a mistake or passed a certain setting. The turbo is used to speed up the system to its maximum speed to heat or cool your home. Copy and follow me. Copy is to copy and paste any setting to any other particular day. The follow me is to turn on and read temperature, 70% of the thermostat and 30% at your return. The mode is used to change your modes. The minus or plus button is to change the temperature. The fan speed is to lower or raise the fan speed. If you press it for 3 seconds, you can also lock your thermostat. To unlock it, press the button once more. This thermostat has 5 modes for the system. The first one is cooling, dry, heat, fan, and auto. To use your follow me, simply press follow me button. Your silhouette at the top right hand corner will come on. This means that the temperature is being read at your thermostat location. 70% of the temperature is read at the thermostat location. 30% is being read at the indoor unit at your return. After you have made a change to your desired setting, turn off and turn on to save the last command and to verify that it reads the temperature at the thermostat location. To use the turbo and heat or cool your system as quickly as possible, simply press the back turbo button. As you can see in the top right hand corner, the arrows have come on. This means the system will cool as fast and quickly as possible. To turn off the setting, press the back turbo button again. The arrows have disappeared. The fan speed button is to adjust your fan speed at the indoor unit. It has the low, medium, high, and automatic setting. It is recommended when you're heating or cooling to have your system on high speed. The dry mode is to remove humidity from your home. It is not recommended for dry climates. In the fan mode, the system will only circulate the air in your home. You can have the fan setting set low, medium, high, or auto. As you can see, the temperature is not being registered. You cannot adjust the temperature since the system is neither cooling nor heating your home. The auto mode is not recommended for your multi-zone systems. To change the day or time, press the timer button. The week will show, and to change the day, press the plus or minus buttons. To select the day, press confirm, and the time will show. To make changes, press the plus or minus. To save the time, hit hit confirm. How to use your thermostat? Simply press the mode button to select cooling, heating, or fan. For cooling, to change the desired temperature, press the plus or minus. Then you want to verify that your fan speed is set on high. You also want to verify that your follow me is on, and to save the last setting or preference, turn off and turn on your follow me icon. If you would like to cool or heat your home as fast as possible, press the back turbo button, and this will allow your system to cool or heat your home as quickly as possible. If you have more than one thermostat in your home, verify that they all are in cooling mode, or in winter, that they are all in heat mode. If not, this can create a modem conflict and the system will not operate properly. Due to the high efficiency of the system, it is recommended simply set it and forget it. Thank you for watching, and for more video tutorials, please visit us at crconditioning.com.